Hey guys, just received this from my order from the miniature market, big clearance sale. I'm a big fan of Rivet Wars, and I was missing the heavy metal expansion, the second wave expansion, and Battle of Birmingham expansion. So today we're gonna just do the unboxing for heavy metal. Let's see what comes in the game and in the expansion. Me and my son love this game. He enjoyed playing the Blight. I always play the Ally. Currently, our record, our score right now is 3-2 me. He's down one point. So with this, as you can see, what you can add to our army. Let's take a look at the back real fast. It does contain two big tanks, it seemed like. Interesting. Let's take a look at the inside. Okay, let me get the cards out ready. Here's the Griffin. It's a level 4 armor, 6 points with 3 Rivet points. 6 health. Damn, this guy is freaking a tank. Auto Coleman. Nothing special about that. Oh, dash. Yeah, giving dash to this is amazing. Take a look. The grenade turret. Nothing special about this. Here's the Allies tank. The M11 double play. Same thing. 6 point with 3 Rivet points. 6 health. Level 4 armor. Yeah, dude, these guys will be fun to play with. Shady Burgle. Precision +1, runner +1. Not bad of a plug. Yeah, it's not bad. I like this plug. I play Ally, so this I might consider this when I use any of my tanks. Nice. Let's take a look at the miniatures now. Look at this. Plug go in here. So you want to buy the plug, you put the plug in this one. Not bad at all. Look pretty nice. I like this tank. Very nice in detail. Man, these tanks look really nice. I think a level 4 armor is a big. I think that's highest right now. I don't think there's a level 5 armor tanks out there yet in the game. I'm not sure. I haven't looked at the other expansion, but so far I think it's only the 3 is the highest. Pretty nice. Let's take a look at his plug. Like I say, I don't play the Blight. My son played the Blight, so he'll be excited to see this new expansion. Here's a grenade launcher. It's overall a pretty fun game. It's an easy enough game for my son to enjoy and whatnot. But yeah, I like to see these go in our next battle. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.